Shalom Sprouties, this is Rivkah from the Korganic Family. Today we're going to go ahead and go over how to install plugins and demo content in the WordPress Foodie Pro theme. Whew, that was a mouthful. So what we're first going to do is install the recommended plugins, and then we're going to add the demo content. And the demo content is really just for us, since we don't have any content on our site yet, so that we're able to play and manipulate the site and get it to look how we want, and then we can plug in our actual original content. So let's get started. So we're back to our dashboard, and the first thing that we see is this little notice up here that tells us what plugins the Foodie Pro theme recommends. So we're going to install all those. The designer, what's her name? Shay Bocks. So Shay Bocks, the designer of this theme, recommends go ahead and getting all your plugins set up in the beginning when you first install your theme. And obviously she knows the best. So let's go ahead and click. Oh, I think we can click the top one to click, select them all, and then install. Okay. Oh, so they've been installed and activated. That's what I was trying to figure out, if I needed to also activate them. But no, it says they've been both installed and activated. Okay. So this doesn't have all the plugins that she recommends. So we're going to come over here to plugins. And then we're going to, add new. And we're going to search for another one that she recommends, which is Easy Recipe. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and install this one. And let's see. Let's pause while we wait for this. Okay, so then we're going to activate the plugin. Okay, and then the other one that she recommends that wasn't in that list is something called Widget, Importer, and Exporter. Okay. This might be really cool. I don't know about this yet. So I'm just going to open that and look at it later. Look into that. For now, let's go ahead and install this. So I think this is about 6 so far that she had altogether recommended. Oh, just one second. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and activate this one. Okay, great. So now we have, looks like we have the handful that she recommended, and then I guess a few extra that were already there. I'm not really sure how that part works yet, but I do know that we have the ones that she specifically recommended. So let's go back to our dashboard, and then the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to install the demo content so that we can, again, have some content to work with as we start customizing our site and kind of seeing how things lay out. Okay, so from what I understand, the next thing we're going to do is come down to Tools, Import, and then WordPress. And then we're going to install this. Activate and run. Now we need to choose a file. Okay, so I'm lucky because what we actually need right now is the Foodie Pro file unzipped. And if you saw in the previous video, I mentioned that I had problems originally downloading the zip file as a whole. I actually had initially opened it as an unzipped file that I opened. This is a whole nother topic. I'm going to make a little note here to come back and make a video regarding the zip file. Zip file video. To further explain this if you don't understand how to do it, but most people will know how to work with a zip file. I just was having a block because the program wasn't working on my computer because I had a version that was free. I have another version that's free, but for some reason it didn't work. So I have here, you can see the difference. This is the unzipped Foodie files, Foodie profile, so you can access the files, and this is the one that's zipped. When you upload your theme into WordPress, you need the one that's completely zipped together. And now when we're grabbing the demo content, we need to actually go into the unzipped one. Okay, and then we need the file XML. And I think this top one is the one that we need. And then we're going to upload and import. Okay, and then Shay recommends that you assign yourself to the posts, and then click download and import file attachments and submit. Okay, so I'm not sure what this is. It says we're all done, but I'm not sure what this is about the updating the passwords and roles of imported users. I'll have to figure that out. But in the meantime, let's come over and look at our site again. So this is the site as we had set it up so far, just with the custom header. And now it should have our demo content. Okay, so now we have some stuff to play around with just to be able to structure our layout and figure out how we want to configure things and give us something to work with. So next we'll be starting to set that up and coordinating that. And don't forget that if you've enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up, and even more importantly, subscribe to our channel.